using this Zeiss Nettar Icon 517 camera, but it recently broke, and today we're gonna fix that. On the back of these cameras there is that red window so you can line up your frames, and then this little piece is a metal sliver that you can go back and forth to open and close it. Well, unfortunately mine somehow unwelded or broke, or I don't even know how it broke, but it rendered this camera practically inoperable because I would get light leaks, especially in bright light. It would burn this number onto my film, and that's no good. And rather than throw this nice, really nice camera in the garbage, I grabbed my 3D printer and my Fusion and messed with it to make something that would work. So after a few revisions, here's what I came to. It's just a simple thing that I will glue over here, or double-sided tape, and it has this sliding door. It can come off one way, which I wanted to make it print in place, but that didn't happen, so it can come out, but I'll just make sure that it doesn't come out, or carry spares in case it falls off. But it will block this hole here, and then hopefully no more light leaks once it's taped down. Here I've got some double-sided tape, and here's the part, and I'm just gonna tape it in place. I wanted to install it with this flap right over here, just like the original was before it broke. And then let's press it into place. What do you know, it's crooked. Now, I've never been able to get things straight, so it's crooked like natural. Here we have it. You can see the numbers. You can block it off, and it's good enough. So, let's straighten it out. You know, this is YouTube after all. There we go, straight. You can see my numbers. I can block it off, and no more numbers leaking into my film. This camera is good to go, from scrap pile to usable.